Hello everyone, welcome to Journey with Shar on this lovely Sunday. I come to you with a new item that I just purchased at Walmart. It is the, let me show you. It is the Nutribullet, and it is the Power 500 watts power motor. It is push and blend 24 ounce BPA free cup, and it is just so pretty, y'all. So these are all the different things you can do, of course, with the Nutribullet. You can make smoothies, sauces, dips, dessert, and also so excited about making salad dressing. So this is what it looks like on the box, and this is what it looks like in person. And I got this for $29.99. Hopefully they have it online and the link is still there, and I will put it in my description box if you're interested. But look how pretty that is. It's like a copper gold. They said gold, but it's like more copper to me. So anyway, let's get started. I have all of my different ingredients here, so let me show you which ones I use. This is the dragon fruit right here. Look how beautiful that color is. Is that not gorgeous? Just gorgeous. And let me show you that brand of dragon fruit so mommy can put it back in the freezer for me. That's the brand. And then this is the dragon fruit bite size, and we love adding this to our smoothies. Here we go. The next thing we have here is I love these because they come already packaged. It's 6 8-ounce bags of all of this delicious healthiness, and I'm going to show you what that looks like as well so mommy can put this back in the freezer. This is by Clovis Farms, and it's organic super smoothie, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, kale, spinach, and bananas. And I love it because you get 6, I don't know if you can see that, 6 individual 8-ounce bags, and it is perfect for your smoothie. Just a quick smoothie in the morning. And just to show you all, mommy wanted me to show you this other brand that we tried. It is really good, especially if you love the flavor of chocolate. I'm not going to blend this one today, but it is the Live More, and it's organic, keto friendly cacao. And it is the avocado, strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, and cacao. And oh my goodness, y'all, if you like chocolate, it does have a little bit of chocolate flavor in there. But what I love about these is that they literally have frozen avocado in here. So I wanted you to see what that looks like. So do you see the avocado bits in there? Is that not amazing? And it really is delicious, especially, like I said, if you like the cacao chocolate flavor. If you don't mind chocolate, then this is good. If you're not a chocolate fan, you're not gonna like this. So we have that's gonna go in. We also have a half of a banana here, and then we have our super greens here, and then we have, I'm gonna add some wheat power grass. I always do that every morning. The mushroom powder, and then we have moringa. Y'all may say you're putting too much. Don't worry about it. This is what I like. This is my routine, and I'm not changing it. And so anyway, it's the powdered moringa. And we also have the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. Collagen Peptides. We're going to go ahead on and add this. And there we go. All right, so you all get ready. I'm so excited. It's so pretty, isn't it? Okay, so let me get everything ready, and then we'll start moving. Stay tuned. Okay, so of course the motor is in here. This is going to be the blender part, and we want to be very, very careful with that. And this is where you add all your items. Look how big that is, and it has the maximum line right there. And so what we're going to do, we're going to add in the jackfruit. Right, jackfruit is y'all listen to me, would that not be a beautiful lipstick color? Oh my goodness, that jackfruit is gorgeous. So I don't even know if all of this is gonna go in there. We'll see. Might have to split me and mommy's up and just do it like that so it's not so much. We're gonna put a little bit of greenery in here, get a little bit more. I need as much greens in my system as possible. So let me add a little bit of this moringa powder. We're gonna do that while we're talking. We're going to add that in there, and that is the moringa powder. Let me close that. So this is the strawberries. Look how nice and fresh those berries are. So I think I'm going to split this up for mommy and me, because this, I think, is going to be way too much in there. All right, now I'm going to add the collagen. This is the mushroom that I'm adding here right now. Okay, the mushroom powder, 1 scoop. So I don't know if I'm gonna add the wheatgrass today. I probably won't add the wheatgrass today since we got so much going on. I have been buying beets. Mommy and I have been adding. We don't have beets today, but that dragon fruit reminds me of beets. Okay, so what I'm gonna add here is just a little bit of a tablespoon of the flaxseed meal. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna add that flaxseed. There we go. And this is not for, oh, it's gonna be tasty, I want it to be sweet. We're not doing that. So this is just strictly nutrients. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water in here. Okay, you can add almond milk, you can add juice, whatever floats your boat. But I'm just gonna do the basic, what God provided. It's just the water. I'm gonna do the basic water. Okay, so let me twist this on. You wanna make sure you twist this on before you add this in. So let me get this twisted real quick. All right, so doesn't that look beautiful? Look at all of those rich, deep, beautiful, lovely colors. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, it says to lock it in. So we're gonna lock it and let's go. Let's see what happens. I can let it go. I'm holding on to it, but I can let it go. When you want to stop it, you just twist it. And this is good because you guys need to see me stop it and pick it up. And I'm going to add a little bit more water. I think it was 2 coats. Okay, and that's what it's looking like so far. So we want to add a little bit more water in there. Okay, so you bring it in. You see those little corners? You're going to bring it in to lock. Then you push down and just let it fly. There we go. My hand's not on it. It's doing great. Wonderful. That is what it's looking like. Twist to the right and stop. I just wanted to make sure everything was well blended. It looks like it is to me. I'm gonna do one more little blend really quick. Twist and go. So now we're gonna take that. And this does not come with the tops. I'm gonna have to buy some tops. It does not come with that, but that's fine. I have no problem with that. So what we're gonna do is take this top off. Mommy's gonna remove the top. I have my cute little smoothie, little cup that I, tumbler cup that I got from 99-cent store, and that looks nice and blended. So let's see here. That's how beautiful that is. Look at that. And we're gonna just pour some of that right down in there, and it's blended well. You see that? Mommy, this might be enough for me and you. Let me see. I'll do one for Joshua. Well, no, that's not enough, but you can taste it. All right, you can pour it in another cup and taste it. All right, so now I'm going to put my little cute little ears on top, and we're gonna see how this turned out. So stay tuned. All right, how cute is that, right? Adorable. So now I'm gonna go in and taste this combination. Perfect. The only sweetness that I have in here is just the fruit, and the fruit is mainly berries, the jackfruit and the greenery right there, and it is absolutely delicious and the perfect amount of sweetness. I did this with water based and it still has a nice flavor to it, but like I said, you can use almond milk or whatever you choose, coconut water, whatever you choose to use with this, but this was perfect with water, and it's awesome. I absolutely love this machine. I love how all you have to do is press down and twist and then just let it go. I had to remember to do that. It does its thing. As long as you put enough liquid in, you can see it just really blend it up. I don't even taste seeds in here with strawberries and raspberries in there. If I do, it's ever so slightly, which is awesome. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed showing you this product review. This is the Nutribullet 500 series, and it is absolutely amazing, and it is at 500 watts power motor. It is push and twist blend and 24 ounce BPA Free Cup. And I tell you, I absolutely love it. My family loves it, and it really does grind up the seeds really good. Very little bit of seeds. I mean, ever so slightly did I run into any seeds. As you can see, there's none at the bottom, just little light ones, but sometimes I don't mind that. It's just when it's too seedy, then I don't like it. But this is perfect. So it is awesome, and it was only for $29.99 at Walmart. I will try to find the link and put the link below so that you all can go check it out if you're interested. This is not a paid sponsored video. This is just me letting you know the product that I find awesome, and I want to share it. And if you need a Nutribullet or a blender or whatever, this is a good guy. This is my review on it. So I give it a thumbs up. I thought it worked well, and it's amazing. And we have a happy smoothie here. So thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If you all like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you, and you can come check me out. And I thank you so much for tuning in. You all be blessed, be healthy, because we have to put the nutrients in our bodies. We have to take our vitamins. If you're not doing vitamins, you need to do as much greens and fruits and vegetables with color. My grandmother, I tell you, she drinks V8 juice every single day. I've been doing it forever, ever since I can remember. And I'm 47 and she's 98. So she drinks her V8 juice and she is faithful with it. But anyway, we thank you so much for tuning in. You all be blessed. Take care of one another. Love one another. Be kind. It's a free gift. All right, so you all be blessed. I'll see you soon, and bon appetit. God bless. Bye bye. Just wanted to let you see what the blade looked like, just in case you were interested. So that is what that blade looks like. Okay, and this has like ridges in the inside to really blend. As it's blending, those ridges really do help solidify the fruit, trust me. And then that is what the inside of that looks like. And the base of this, I'm cleaning it off right now. And that is what that looks like. So I just want to let you know.